Hi, good evening, friends. Today, market as expected went up to 16,700 levels and then could not sustain at those levels, and then again it came down to around 16,600 levels and then settled at 16,630 levels. Though initially it went up to 16,525 levels, but it found solid support in that range, and then again it bounced back. Probably many people were caught on the wrong foot at those levels because they thought that the market will go down. So that was a game play by the operators and the FIIs. The markets were taken down, and then again they brought it sharply back to around 16,700 levels. Then ultimately it closed around 16,630 levels. So if you see the candle for today, though it's a bullish candle, but still it was not able to cross yesterday's candle. So that means that still the bearishness continues. So it has to cross 16,825 levels to become bullish in the medium term. Otherwise, again, it will test around 16,750, 16,800 levels and then come down. On the bottom side now, 16,500 and 16,400 seems to be good support levels. If those support levels are broken, then we may see 16,000 and break about 16,850 levels. We'll see 17,000, 17,200 and above. Anyway, we'll just wait and see what happens on Monday. So this is about Nifty. So now moving on to Bank Nifty, the support levels for Nifty are support levels for Nifty are 16,470 and then 16,418, and on the resistance side 16,694 and then 16,757 are two major resistances. So we'll move on to Bank Nifty and then see how it has performed. So here also the same case has happened. It was not able to cross the bearish candle formed yesterday, though it is a bullish candle, but still the weakness continues. So it was not able to cross the bearish candle formed yesterday. So it is still below this particular channel and it has to cross this channel and then move up. So it may take some time, but still the bearishness continues in the Bank Nifty index. So the support levels for Bank Nifty are 34218 and then 33969 are major support levels, and on the resistance side 34721 and 35153 are resistance levels. So next we'll move on to two stocks. I'll discuss which have formed some which were bullish today for some reason. So we'll just see those two stocks. The first one is Delta Corp. So Delta Corp is sharply moving up after making a bottom of around, I think around 244 levels, 242 levels. It has moved up sharply, and then the volumes are continuously increasing with each candle. So that means that it is going to test the earlier high made recently. So on that basis, Delta Corp can test around 306 levels. It is close around 282 now. So it can test 306 levels and then break above 306 with increase in volumes can take it to new highs. So this is happening probably because the government has relaxed all the restrictions on all the tourism, casinos and other things. Probably that is why the volumes are increasing. Keep this in your watch list, and then when it comes down a bit, then you can take a trade in this. This is also in FNO, so FNO also can be tried for 300 call. So if you see the volumes have increased, and then moving average, RSI, MACD, all are very positive. It is in the oversold zone now. MACD, I mean, moving average, there is a crossover of all three indicators. So it's a very positive sign for Delta Corp. So next stock we're going to discuss is Granules. So Granules has formed a bullish pattern. Bullish pattern with increase in volumes. And it has already fallen a lot from 350 levels. So it can test back up to the level of 327. It has closed around 308. So on the first level it can test up to 327 and break about that it can go up to 349 levels. This is also a F&O stock, so you need to be very careful and then watchful. So all other parameters are positive for this. Oversold zone, moving average crossover, everything is happening. So there is, in all likelihood, this also can move up with a small correction intraday and then can move up. So just keep this also in watch list and then trade carefully. Also, one more thing I would like to tell is that if you observe bullish engulf, I'll just explore this so that it can show a fresh report. It'll take about 30 seconds to explore the data. Historical data it has to process and then find out which stocks or which index has formed bullish pattern in the chart. So it'll be ready in a second. So many of the F&O stocks have formed bullish pattern. That is one positive indication. So if you can see here, CNX Realty, CNX PSU Bank, Pharma, CNX Nifty Junior, CNX Infra, CNX Dividend, all these indexes have formed bullish pattern. So we have to just wait and see how the market will react on Monday. So have a good trading on Monday. Thank you.